Hi, this is Steve Morrow, Director of Sales with Brooks Equipment. This video is meant as another resource to help you defend and preserve your FED business. You can find it and other useful content at brooksequipment.com/COVID-19. With me today is Michael Prose. Michael is with Servant Fire Protection located in the Music City of Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks for coming on for us today, Michael.
Hey, thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it.
We've asked Michael to share with us how he has defended his business during this COVID-19 crisis and what he sees as we move forward. Michael, why don't we start off with you telling us a little bit about yourself, your business, and the general business environment you've been facing in Nashville.
Thanks for having me, first of all, Steve. I've been in the business full-time since 1999. It's been a family business. So I remember before that, as a kid, going with my dad on a Saturday and would recharge fire extinguishers while he would open the mail. And I'd go on all the emergency calls and probably bother a lot of the guys. But I just really enjoyed the business. I loved how it makes you feel because we are saving lives and protecting property. Yeah, I really cut my teeth on installing kitchen systems and clean agent systems, and then kind of moved. But I'm able to do anything in the fire industry.
So you're the next generation in the business. We'll talk a little bit more about that later. So tell me, what strategies have you used with your customers during the crisis?
Well, just with our name, Servant Fire, our slogan is, we're here to serve you, as meaning our customers. So we would reach out and communicate with our customers, kind of listen to their fears or their worries or their concerns about us coming in, and then we'd make a decision off that, whether it would be come in early in the morning to do the inspection, maybe go in on a Saturday, work in the evening. But it's actually turned into a positive for us because normally it's a hassle. They don't like us sounding the bells and the whistles while everybody's there. And so we kind of said, hey, we won't interrupt you. And our technicians have been able to be more thorough, take their time, and not feel rushed.
Gotcha. That's impressive. What processes or protocols did you create or alter to adapt to the environment?
Well, here at Servant Fire, we feel that it's very important to be a one-stop shop company. So we offer a variety of different services of inspections, installation services. So if one area of the business is slower, we're able to move those guys into another area of the business, whether it be a storage unit outside where there's no people working on their cameras or their gate, or doing a facility that has been closed down. We also had our people work from home. We sent them home right away. We used the best technology that we're aware of to where they don't, where our customers can't tell that they're not working from an office. So our phones, they could take their phones home, the extensions would ring to them, it would still ring at their house. And we use a paperless enterprise system, and so they could keep working and kicking out the deficiencies, kicking out the quotes, and just being able to communicate quick and efficiently to the customer.
Well, Michael, none of us have a crystal ball, but what do you predict will be the lasting effects of this crisis and on the fire and life safety industry?
Yeah, great question. I think it's going to help us and help the customers to realize that we are in an essential business, that we're not just an interruption in the middle of the day, that we're an essential business and what we do is very important. It's very liable. So they've seen that and they let us come in and do the inspections on a regular basis, not just when a fire marshal sends them a letter and says you have 30 days. Do they call? Now they want to get us in routine and keep us coming. And then, going forward, hopefully the fire marshals will continue to help us to get their deficiencies fixed and to keep the buildings code compliant and fire safe, really.
I gotcha. So, and another question, Michael, in what ways did this crisis push servant fire to a greater use of technology?
Yeah, it's helped us. I think for me, it's so important to surround myself with people who are smarter than me in many areas, and to have dialogue and to pick the tech's brains who are in the field, who are on the front lines, because they hear a lot of the stuff. So every Wednesday, we'll have a Zoom meeting with everybody for an hour and ask everybody questions. Everybody has a voice. That's important. We want to know, we don't want to be stuck in a way. There was, if somebody finds a new app that would benefit us to use, we look into it and we've used it to help us. It makes us look better as a company and ultimately serve our customers better.
I got it. Okay. Do you feel that being classified as an essential business during this crisis will help you recruit quality employees in the future?
Yes, absolutely. I think everybody loves the rewarding feeling of being on the front lines, serving and working hard and making a difference in the community. So we, as Servant Fire, made a promise to our employees that we're going to pay you the full 40 hours, continue to cover your life insurance. And that way, we ask a lot of you, but we also, are giving you a lot as well. And they'll look outside the box and recruit other good employees. And, really investing in your employees is really key. And that word travels. We've actually hired and grew through this period. And the people that we employed, they did a lot of research on us by communicating to other employees before they even called me, and asked the culture of the business, how we treated them, that sort of thing. So I think we'll definitely benefit from it.
That's really impressive. So what I'm hearing is that through the crisis now, you've hired additional people. You have people in training right now during this time?
Yes, sir, we have.
That's pretty great. So, Michael, what are a few things next generation leaders like yourself need to be focused on to keep the fire and life safety industry healthy?
I think paying attention to what's going on in the world around you, listening to our president, what the CDC says, what the governors say of the state. I think, being on Facebook, in the fire protection groups that are out there are important. Listening to what other companies are saying throughout the United States, but also paying attention not just to the fire industry, but to everybody's industries. There's a lot of great minds out there where you can pick up an idea, a thought of something they've adopted, take it back to your team and make it fit your business. We offered promotional sales or extending out terms an extra 15 days for people to get the PPP plan finance and say in play, and that helped us get some big deficiency sales approved.
Well, I'm really impressed, Michael. Great job out there. We wish you the best, everyone at Servant Fire the best, and to everyone listening, we thank you and hope that you found this video interview helpful. If you have any ideas that you would think would be helpful to other fire equipment distributors, please email them to covid19@brooksequipment.com. As a reminder, you can find this video and loads of other useful content to help you defend and preserve your business at brooksequipment.com/COVID-19. Thank you.